how to customize physical keyboard keys and shortcuts on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we then scroll down. And then in here, tap on general, management. Next, scroll down and tap on physical keyboard. Now go down and tap on customize keys. In here, for each of the shortcuts, you can tap on it to make the change. So cap locks, you can tap on control for cap locks or choose cap locks. For control, you can use the control key or other keys. And then tap on app shortcuts. In here, you can also use the shortcut to open up an app. For example, Command plus B will launch Samsung Internet, but you can replace it with another app. And for Command E at the moment, it is not set. So you can set Command plus the E button to say launch email or to print or to open one of the apps. So that's up to you. So here I can choose it to open up. Fantastic. And that's it. So that is how you can customize your physical keyboard app shortcuts as well. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.